February 29th, it's Leap Day, and we are actually going to, as we explained yesterday, we have 30 cocoons here, roughly 20 males, 10 females. We're going to open them, and we are going to place them in the greenhouse directly. And as you remember, we also had opened 2 yesterday, and these have already emerged, and they're starting to get active. As they warm up, they get very active. So we need to move quickly and open these 30 cocoons and place them in the greenhouse before they start flying all over the house.
So we were instructed that they're a little more hardy than we originally thought, so we're going to just carefully hold them in our hands, open the cocoon, and if they're viable, we'll put them in this larger container, and one by one, so they don't fly around the dining room, we'll contain them here. Then, as Jim indicated, we'll release them into the greenhouse environment, and we'll pray that they survive and flourish in that environment over the next week.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this, Jim. Maybe I should watch you. I got another X-Acto knife. Here's the tweezer.
Just don't poke.
Oh yeah, this one, I'm going to use the tweezer, Jim, just this first view here, just because I want to make sure I don't injure them. I think this is a female.
You know, females are the less paid but the most valuable.
Yeah. Boy, is that true. I have that discussion with Cindy almost all the time, Michelle. I don't know. It's just, oh yeah, she's alive. I just hope I'm not damaging her. You know, I'm gonna just take a chance here
And just leave it. Yeah, I think
that she's just going to come out.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Here she comes. Well, she's moving.
Yeah, she's just
Yeah,
coming
and that's
out.
what I'm worried is they're going to start flying all over the place, and we can't let that happen. I was telling Gene maybe we should do
Oh,
this.
she's out, guys. She's out.
Here's a male. No, I don't know.
You know, maybe we should move to the greenhouse.
Okay, he's moving. He's moving around a little bit, I think, unless I cut off his
Yeah,
legs.
this one's coming out too.
Where
I
we-
can feel it buzzing. Remember he said it buzzes?
Oh,
I can feel it buzzing.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right, let's just put the cocoon in here too. I don't think that's going to be any harm.
Do you think we should go out?
Do you think that we should just have a cover over one?
Yeah, we'll find out here in a minute. They start flying around, you'll know it.
No, we
It's
don't
that
want
little
them.
one.
I'm
The-
just
the
cutting
little-
an opening and then they come out by themselves.
Yeah, they are. And maybe that's the trick, Jim. Just open it up enough so they can merge. That way we can do it quicker, and that just gives them enough time. You know, it's like a real baby. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort. Well,
Oh, jeez.
well, what a stupid
That's a
comment.
male
What a
point of
stupid
view.
misogynist comment.
That's right. I want to see you give
I know
birth.
better. I know better.
Look at these guys.
Just,
Oh, they're so cute.
they are
Yeah, you
cute.
might want to stop and restart every once in a while because it's easier to
Cute
edit.
babies.
I'm doing them fast, Gene. I'm just cutting.
Yeah,
the
you're
slit.
doing a lot faster than I am. My eyesight isn't what it
Oh
used to
boy,
be.
that bee just about was like the alien.
Uh-huh.
She about jumped out at me. Probably because I cut too deep.
Oh, I lost this one here. Come on. Come on, Gene.
Take your time, though. You don't want to damage it.
Yeah, but if they start flying, we can't catch them.
Yeah, but you don't want to hurt anybody.
I know, but that one's buzzing too.
Well, that's pretty much what Steve told us, huh?
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of buzzing going on.
Well, that's
We'll
a good
sing the
thing.
shaken song to Elvis to the buds, not the bees.
All you need to see is the activity. You know, they're going to come out.
We'll wait for a minute.
There's some activity here. These were not in the refrigerator. These were room temperature.
Oh. Oh, see this bee's flying around. We got to get them before they start.
How many more do we have?
I'm doing fast. We got 4 left.
Okay, all right.
And this one's buzzing.
Okay, let's get this done. Maybe it's just we just need to get the cocoon open.
There you go.
Can you grab that bee and put it in the...
Oh, I just
I
want to
think
get him.
I chop that head
His
off.
wings are still.
Yeah.
Oh, you chopped his head.
Yeah, I think so.
You ISIS man.
This guy, this is a female, I think.
That's a female, yeah.
How do you know the?
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, Gene and I have managed to dissect it. We found the quickest way to do this was just open a slit and basically the bees start coming out. You can see some examples. Let me try and find some. Here's one. So what we're hoping for, what we're going to do is take these and including the 2 ones that are really, that we had brought out yesterday, and we're going to bring them and put them in the greenhouse right now directly. You can see this one's walking around, and so they're starting to move, so we need to move fairly quickly here. Okay, we've freed all the bees. We're going to put them right here. So we're going to figure out, because what we need to do is we need to do this fairly quickly. Now it is 52 degrees out here, so that might slow them down some as compared to inside the house where it was in the 70s. And you can see we got a pretty good set of flowers. They really seem to like this yellow one, and then this one is also taking off quite a bit, also this red one. And then we also have some back here. I'm not sure the names of these, but
We still have a pretty good supply of cocoons, so we're going to observe. I'll be coming over here on a daily basis to observe the activity, and Jim has a camera set up, so we'll have a pretty good data set in terms of what's going on. And then if we need to replenish the cocoon supply, we will do that, and we'll go from there.
yeah. Okay, let's see how the bees are doing. If you want to open
So let's do
a
this
couple
one
of these
here.
containers.
This is from the very first group we got from Steve Peterson, and they've always been happy. Large females. Okay, they want to start flying right away, so we need to get some males going here. And I don't know, can't remember right now. Is this another female, Jim?
Yeah, that's a female from the escape from our other tray.
Okay, so it's another female right here.
So we got 3 bees going here.
Well, hopefully, we haven't observed any predators. Jim, have you?
Yeah, no, I have not. We were just looking at the spider web there. And
So, shall we?
yeah, do you want to just leave them in the tray?
Oh, good point.
I mean-
Yeah, sure.
I mean,
It's an emergence,
Yeah.
sort of an emergence tray. So, we'll just set these here, and the cocoons have all been open to one extent or another. And again, the temperature
and you
is
can, yeah,
at a low
here.
degree. So,
There's one in there, for example, right here, and they're starting to move around. They're warming up, and like I said, it's relatively cool out here. It's in the low 50s, so it might take them a few hours as the sun comes up and hits the greenhouse. It'll warm up fairly quickly in here. By 11 or 12, it'll be in the at least certainly 70s and probably 80s.
right. Sound good?
Okay, so we're done.
All right, let me just.